Hello there, this is Nishie Agarwal. I'm a corporate trainer and I recently had a session on mental well-being and happiness. So I thought of coming up quickly and sharing 3 tips with you. This is a 3C mechanism that you can try, and this will really help you in case if you're going through any of these issues like depression, anxiety, panic attack or crying spells. So the first C says communication. So just communicate to your people, talk to someone, just have a heart out discussion. This really helps in diffusing the emotion and it just vents out your heart. So try this, it really works. The second is, just call for an action, which means this is your life. You need to take an action for yourself. So what is that you can do? The moment you see that you're engulfed with such emotions, what you can do is, I know it sounds really difficult, but that is the point wherein you will have to indulge yourself into some kind of activities so that you are distracted from these emotions. And you can just upgrade yourself, learn a new skill, go for a childhood hobby. It can be painting, dancing, cooking, anything that makes you happy, and maybe you can learn a new course or a skill. The third C is consistency. When I talk about consistency, it can be taking care of yourself, your diet, your mental diet, your physical attribute. So which means exercising on a regular basis, be it yoga, zumba, anything that suits you. And try for journaling, gratitude exercise. This really works. So these are the 3 C's that you can try. Let me know if it works for you. Thank you.